Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you step by step how to send money from video account to GoTyme bank account in 2025. It's a quick, easy and you can do it from your phone or computer. Let's get started. First, open the video mobile banking app or go to the video online banking websites and log in with your username and password. Then enter your OTP or one-time password if promote. Once you are in tap send money from the main menu, then choose to another local bank. This is because GoTyme is a separate bank from video. And now fill out the transfer money destination bank. Select GoTyme Bank Corporation from the bank list. Account number, enter the recipient GoTyme account number usually found in their GoTyme apps under account details, and account name. Type the full name registered in the GoTyme account and enter how much you want to send and notes if needed, for example payment or savings. Then double check all details, especially the account's number, because money is sent to the wrong account may be hard to recover. Once you are sure, tap submit. You will receive an OTP via SMS or email. Enter the OTP to confirm your transfer.